how to connect Bluehost domain to WordPress. So starting from your WordPress.com dashboard, you're gonna have to navigate to upgrades, then go to domains, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on add domain, and then simply click on use a domain I own. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply type the domain name you own and then click on next. And on the next screen, you'll see two options, transfer or connect. Simply click the select button next to connect your domain. It may take a few moments to be redirected to the next screen. Then you're gonna have to configure your domain. So basically you're gonna have to click on start setup and then simply go back to Bluehost and add these name servers to your domain, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.